Hey everyone, Candice Quinn here from Contract Tag. If you work with contracts, you know the pain. Opening a document with dozens or even hundreds of track changes, scrolling endlessly trying to find edits from a specific person, or figure out what you changed versus what opposing counsel modified. Well, today I'm sharing a game-changing hack that most people don't know exists in Microsoft Word. It's going to save you serious time and make reviewing red lines so much more efficient. We are talking about filtering track changes by author. All right, so here's my document with changes from multiple reviewers. Go to your review tab up here, click show markup, or if you're on a newer version, look for reviewing pane options. Now click on specific people or the filter icon. Boom, here's everyone who's touched this document. Uncheck all reviewers first. Then check just the person you want to see. And there you go. Now you're only seeing contract hacks edits. Everyone else's are hidden. They're still in the document, just not cluttering your view. And when you're done, just go back and select all reviewers to see everything again. That's it. No more scrolling past everyone's comments to find what you need. If this helped, hit subscribe for more contract hacks and click that button up on the top right to keep watching tips from Contract Hack. See you in the next time, hackers. Bye.